Today, we're excited to introduce the simple trending round plant stand, a versatile and stylish addition to any indoor or outdoor space. This set includes two plant stands of different heights, 16.75 inches and 31 inches, perfect for creating a layered look in your garden, patio, living room, or even your bathroom. Crafted from durable metal with a black waterproof powder coating, these stands are both waterproof and rustproof, ensuring they withstand outdoor rain or humid environments. Each stand is designed with thicker iron tubing, providing stability and the ability to hold up to 100 pounds, while non-slip feet protect your floors. Not just for plants, these stands can also serve as storage racks for toiletries, towels, kitchenware, and more, making them a great space-saving solution. The tall stand measures 12.8 by 12 by 31 inches with an 11.75-inch diameter circle, while the shorter one is 11.5 by 10.6 by 16.75 inches with a 10.4-inch diameter circle. Easy to assemble, these stands come with clear instructions, allowing you to set them up in minutes and start enjoying their functionality and style right away. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.